Welcome to Wise Decisions. I'm your host Vishwanath. Today let's have a look at the recent care ratings released for Uttam Valley Steels Limited and Uttam Galva Metallics. What makes these care ratings so important is there are so many interesting facts are being revealed through these ratings, and we will have a detailed look on those points. In the previous video, in part 2 and in part 3, we had discussed about equity ratio and the implementation process. All these things are reaffirmed by the care ratings. So if we analyze this report, maximum doubts of the investors will be cleared. So let's start with the care ratings. Before I begin, let me clear few more things here. This care ratings document has very brief points. If you need a detailed information, I request you to kindly go and watch my other videos. In those videos, it has a complete information on NCLT order, implementation process and the capital reduction ratio. So in this care report, we will only have a look at the key points, because this care ratings report will reaffirm our belief in Uttam Valley Steels Limited and its new management, because there are so many key points here that these points will put an end to the speculation in the market about its relisting and about allotment for old shareholders. In my previous video, I always said that there are enough indications in the NCLT court order that this company will relist, and NCLT court had ordered to allot equities for the old shareholders. In my video part 2, I confirmed to my viewers the implementation of resolution plan is almost done. You might notice through this care ratings that the implementation process is done, the new management has taken over, and interlinkage of Uttam Galva Metallics with the Uttam Value Steels is also completed. This means that implementation process is almost done. Maybe remaining part is allotment of securities for the shareholders. So now two important points are confirmed here. Let's have a look at the security allotments. This care ratings report, page number 2. The rating agency is making it clear here that Nitya Capital and Carval investors, which together hold 95% stake in the company, whereas the remaining stake is held by the existing lenders. Lenders here are nothing but the committee of creditors, banks, finance institutes, etc. But if we pay attention to the Honorable Court order, that here the Honorable Court had ordered to issue only 3 crores of worth shares at a face value of 10 rupees. Probably 30 lakh shares will be allotted for the lenders. As per my understanding, 2 to 3% stake will be allotted for the existing shareholders, because as per the Honorable NCLT court order, in the court order, promoters are ordered to infuse only 10 lakh shares worth of 1 crore rupees. Here for the committee of creditors, it is 3 crore shares at a face value of 10 rupees. So it will not exceed more than 10 lakh for new incoming promoters and 30 lakh for committee of creditors. So remaining securities will be allotted to the public. Among this care rating, the most important thing that is confirmed here is integration part. Since Uttam Galva Metallics is integrated with the Uttam Valley Steels, this integration will significantly improve the valuation of the Uttam Valley Steels. Because of this integration, I am unable to give you the exact equity reduction ratio. Based on my research, I believe it is 100 to 1. maybe even more. We will be able to come to conclusion only after allotment from the management. So let's have a look at the other points. Let's have a look at the financial forecast. Research conducted by Care Ratings Agency for the year 2022. This agency had done research based on the financial stability of the current new promoters. So as per their research, Uttam Value Steels and Uttam Galva Metallics combined will post profit in 2022. So as given here in the table, the total operating income will reach to 2,869 crores and 95 lakhs rupees. The profit after tax will be around 519 crores and 54 lakhs rupees. Based on their research, Care Rating agencies are predicting a positive futures for the Uttam Value Steels Limited and Uttam Galva Metallics, and these two firms will start posting profits from 2022 onwards. I believe that this Care Ratings report will bring smile on your face and would clear most of your doubts, because three important points that I covered in my previous videos has been officially published. Since some of you were asking for a official announcement, in this report you might see that integration of Uttam Value Steel is given, and about stakeholding is also given. So only remaining part is about the relisting date, that we might receive news anytime, since the implementation process is almost over. So I request you to wait patiently. I hope you have liked my research. If you liked my content, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Any support will be highly appreciated. Until then, see you next time. Have a good day.